Oh, that's good.
I'm trying to get somewhere that's real and pure and true. Yo, Jay, let's go.
Father God, I am clay in your hands. Help me to stay that way through all life's demands, cause they chip and they nag and they pull at me. And every little thing I make up my mind to be. Like I'ma be a daddy who's in the mix, and I'ma be a husband who stays legit. And I pray that I'm an artist who rises above the road that is wide and filled with self-love. Everything that I see draws me, though it's only in you that I can truly see that it's a feast for the eyes, a low blow to purpose. And I'm a little kid in a three-ring circus. Mr. Mondo, step up to that microphone.
The paparazzi flashes and they think that it's you, but they don't know who you are, it's not what you do. True, we get it twisted when we peek at the charts. Yo, before we part from the start, where's your heart? Are you a Christian, a believer? Tell me what